first grade. Today we're going to be reviewing quarters, but I also want to review all the other coins we've gone through so far. So a lot of times it's really hard to determine which coin is which, but there are some really good ways to do it. The first way is by knowing what's on the front and the back, and that's what we've been talking about every single day we've been doing this. The second way is by sizes, and sizes is how small or how big it is. Well, we have two classes of coins. The first one are copper coins, and the second one are silver coins. And then we do technically have gold coins, which are dollars, but we're not going to get into that today. Okay, our first class is copper coins. Now, we only have one copper coin. Can anybody remember what it is? You're right, it's a penny. So, the only coin that's copper is a penny. And so it's the smallest and the biggest in our copper class. Okay, the next one is the hard one, and this is where a lot of first graders and second graders and all graders get confused. So silver, we have 4 coins. We've talked about 3 of them, but one, which is the biggest of the silver coins, is called a $50. And you can think it's the biggest because it's worth the most. Okay? The smallest is actually not worth the least. The smallest is the dime, and our dime is worth 10 cents. So of the silver coins, our dime is the smallest. Our second smallest is a nickel, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. And finally, our second biggest is a quarter. So if I had to take all of my coins and put them in order of size, my smallest would be a dime, then a nickel, then a quarter, and then a $50. And then over in my copper class, the only coin that's copper is a penny. So this is one really good way to remember which coin is which is by looking at the size of the coins. Today, we get to review quarters, and when we review coins, I like to go through every single one of these poems to keep it fresh in your mind. So we're going to start with penny. I say it, and then we're going to do it together. Okay, so me first. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. So now this time I want you to do it with me. So out loud, at home, I want you to say it with me. Ready? Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Our second coin that we're going to do is nickels. I will go first. Listen. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. So now I want you to do it with me. At home, you're saying it out loud while I do it. So together. Ready? Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. So for this next one, I'm going to move over to this side. And we're going to do dimes. So I'm going to go first. Ready? Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. So now I want you to do it with me. At home, we're going to do it together again. Ready? Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Okay, our last one is our quarter. And I'm going to say it 2 times, and then we're going to say it together, okay? So listen for the first 2 times. Listen. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I'm told. I'm going to say it one more time. Listen again. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I'm told. So now we're going to do it together, so make sure that you're saying it out loud at home. Ready? We're going to do it together. Ready? Let's go. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I'm told. Very good job. And so this will make its way over with our other posters. While we're here, we're going to review the quarter. And so I'm going to move over to this side again so we can see this page really nicely. So our quarter on the front has our very first president. Do you remember who that is? It's George Washington. George Washington is on the front of the quarter, and on the back of the quarter is this bird. Does anybody remember what the name of this bird is? You're right, it's the bald eagle. So on the front, we have George Washington. On the back, we have the bald eagle, and our quarter is worth 25 cents. So the quarter is one of the bigger of the silver coins. So when I look at my poem, I can remember big and bold. It's a bigger silver coin, and it's worth 25, I'm told. So this poem helps you remember that it's a bigger coin and that it's worth 25 cents. Okay, we're gonna move over to the table and see what we have to do today. I'll see you in a second. Bye. Hi, first grade. Today, we're gonna go over what we have to do in our coin packet. So close your packet and let's turn the same number of pages together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna turn 5 pages. On this page, counting dimes is where we're gonna start. For this page, you're gonna color in the coins to match the amount. So our first one is 40 cents. Now remember, each dime is worth 10 cents. So when I'm counting my dimes, I need to count by tens. I need to go 10, 20, 30, 40. So for 40 cents, I would only color in 4 dimes. You're gonna do the same thing for each cent on the side. Now remember, for $1, that's 100 cents. Then when you're done with this page, you're gonna turn and you're gonna flip. And you're gonna do the same thing, but for quarters. So we're counting quarters. You're gonna color in the coins to match the amount. So for 50 cents, you're gonna color in the number of quarters it takes to get to 50 cents. Now remember, quarters are worth 25. So when I count, I need to count by 25 each time. So if I'm doing 50 cents, I'm gonna go 25, 50. So I only need to color in 2 quarters to reach 50 cents. Now here we have some dollar amounts. We have $1, we have $1.50, and we have $1.25. Now remember, each of these means 100. So 100 cents, 150 cents, 125 cents. So you're gonna count quarters the same way you would before, but you're just gonna go past 100 for some of them, okay? That's all you have to do today. Good luck. I will see you next time. Bye.